brought my hot tent because it's supposed to be a blizzard tonight. Woo! All right, we got the water boiling. It's time to make some food. Beef bouillon cubes, a little bit of salt. I got these little lamb T-bones here. Well, the lamb fat is rendering up nicely, so I just added some sweet potatoes and some tomatoes to the stew. We're gonna go ahead and add the lamb meat at this point. Add some carrots, things up with some jalapenos. I'm gonna throw in green onions. Beautiful lamb stew. A little savory, a little sweet, a little bit spicy. It's good. Well, that was pretty good.